Hi, I'm Rabbit, and yes, that is me. You're probably wondering what am I doing here, on a jet. Well, let me take you back to where it all started. Say hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Literally out of nowhere.
Wow. At this moment, you will be like, Miss Rabbit, what are you doing here? What are you doing in the middle of literally out of nowhere? Well, because it's a private jet, so it also has a private airport. Fancy, I know. So we're waiting for our friends to be here, so just wait a little bit. Everybody will be here. Hi, I have to be her.
Oh, are you vlogging?
Yeah. Hi, wait. Yeah, do it. Fuck, it's cold.
Are you vlogging?
Dude, everyone look like a puppy.
Puppy?
Yeah, we're streaming cute. So everybody's here. The gang is here. So what should we do next? We need to move our car. Oh, sorry, my bad. I don't drive. They need to move their car to the airport parking.
Can I join one of the car? Can I go to Nat car? No, I want to go Nat car. I only have one seat.
It's okay, you can go.
I guess I'm meant to be to this one.
No, you should say it in the vlog.
So today we are celebrating Cindy's 24th birthday, and it's a very special one.
Exactly.
Because first of all, it's Cindy's birthday, the great Cindy, and her beautiful friends are here to celebrate with her at Millionaire. Dun dun dun!
So, that's exciting? Yeah, hold that.
We go in and pay more. Say hi, guys.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah, we're gonna get lit.
I feel like I'm those like spoiled kids. What is that? Thank you. Oh, I haven't seen koi for a while. Is it koi? Yeah.
Oh, so pretty.
You want to pretend to be rich? Yeah. Pick up a news and then business casual. Like,
Who will read newspaper?
how is the market today?
What market?
Stock
Crypto?
market. Can we go upstairs? Okay, after this, I need all of you to sign into the consent form so I can release your image. Ooh, we have a board. Oh, hello.
There's a difference.
Hello. You smell really good. This is the washroom that we have. They have like the towel, which is cool. Damn. Not her.
I'm ready, I'm listening.
You want mocha? Simi, you want mocha? Did you see that? Did you see all the plane? Did you see all the not my plane?
Coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep.
Where are we going?
Oh, wait, let me get the lead. Let me let the lead.
But I can hear it.
Cheers, I'll drink to that, bro.
It's too sweet. Let's go.
Step away inside. Oh, today, go dancing in the rain. Na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh. Na 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 na.
It's so hot right now.
When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me.
What's his name? What's his name? Kiko? Kiko?
My coworker named Kiko.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, this is Kiko Min soy sauce.
Oh, that? Okay, we'll do this. We'll talk about the first impression when we met Cindy. You wanna go first?
Me? I was too much of a fetus to remember.
Oh yeah, like they met when they were kids.
Outgoing. Really?
Yeah, she
Energetic.
was.
Energetic.
She's
I
not?
met her in school.
Oh,
We had a class together.
That's why she didn't talk.
Yeah, she was really quiet. No,
Yeah.
and during the whole semester, we weren't even friends. We just sat beside.
I met her through dance.
We only
I think we
started-
both met her through dance.
Oh yeah, different vibes.
Extrovert, good style.
The style.
Yeah.
A high pace for sure when I first met her. You know what? At first I thought like her clothes like casual clothes. Later I found out like they all have like they're all high pace like luxury, but like it's just a small like details like subtle.
I think I became friends with her when we did an assignment together.
Hi, we are doing the first impression of Cindy.
Yeah, I met her in grade 10 high school in cooking class. And she doesn't really talk a lot, very quiet. Gave me a handshake because the teacher just put me in the same group
same
with
group?
Cindy.
Oh,
And then
okay.
she's like, "Hi, I'm Cindy," and then she shook my hand. And I was like, and we became friends after like a year.
I don't know what to do with this. Since I don't know what to do with this vlog, let's have some drama.
Check. Okay, so something happened, right? It was unexpected. The jet is not here yet, and we're just waiting. So since it's delayed, that our reservation for the sushi restaurant adjusts a little bit. So we'll see how it goes.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Next episode. Like do the transitions. Like
Line up.
When the music go entra, dale, vete para allá, solo déjame bailar, solo déjame.
If you wanted to come up here, there's another seat here, if you would prefer that. You'll be closer to the vodka.
that is my plan.
Tú arrasaste, manda para allá, te lo buscaste.
Okay, everyone say hi. Hey yo, what does it feel like? Private jet.
Manda, manda para allá, manda, manda para allá, manda, manda para allá, manda, manda para allá.
Oh, we're almost there. I think so.
Yeah.
We need to go here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, that's cool.
Se enfocan en llorar, ya. Yo era tú, todo me dudaste. Yo tenía todo, me robaste. Yo te lo di, tú arrasaste. Manda para allá, te lo buscaste. Si mi alegría te lo voy a enojar. Con otra persona yo me voy a bailar. Cuando me tenías no quería tratar. Ahora que yo tengo fama, tú me amas. Manda, manda para allá. Manda, manda para allá.
Nori Japanese restaurant.
Oh yeah.
Should we do like a raft, like 1 and 2? Okay, everybody take pictures. See this millennials, man.
She set us up.
Oh, the kids, man. They didn't even like eat. Like,
So someone vlogging, okay.
dude, I love this. Oh, I love this so much. Tell it like it is. Oh, I love this. Every time we have a new dish.
So cute. It's almost the end of the day. How do you? Hopefully, since I'm 24, I'll get a girlfriend.
Oh, I hope that too. Maybe a few. One is not enough.
One for every day. 7.
Yeah, like 7, like yeah.
On a flight down south, up and down your block. Call me when he want, but he don't know. When it's
Too fun.
pick up, I'm on the move, do what I do.
Oh, let's see the cake. Let's see the cake.
Oh, wait, let's do you want to open it right now? Oh, it's the Off-White Air Jordan 1, Chicago.
Should we say the market price right now?
It's 15K right now.
What?
Happy birthday to you.
Everybody.
I mean, we can just eat the cake straight out there.
Now it's 1K only. I get that toes.
We have to be so close with like this because they are taking pictures. Here, she has to do the light. Oh my god, she has to do the light.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes. Yep.
Hello, hi.
Hi, I'm the light.
That is true. I'ma spend the band. You can't tell me when I can. Every time I send a check, it come back to me times 10. You can't speak my name if you don't give me no cash. I will bill you for my time. You know I can get that back. These
This is the mom.
It's like 2 kids.
Everybody put your hands in the party. Flip the spaghetti.
Is it everything?
Yeah. Everyone has their own thing, right?
Yeah, we have everything.
I think so, yeah. Yeah. Well, that is the end for the trip. As you're watching this, you might think that, mad.rabbitt is really rich, but I don't think so. I'm still broke. My goal is still making more. Once again, shout out Miss Cindy Ling for sponsor for this video. I cannot have any content without her, so shout out one more time to Cindy Ling. And another thing is, I want to say that life is about experience. As long as you want to do it and you try hard for it, luck will come and one day you will experience as much as you can. Thank you for watching and subscribe for new content. New video every week. I will try. Here are some bonuses.
Oh, do you have COVID?
Yeah, I have.
Thanks, give it to me. I want that government benefit.
I'm like, oh, damn, freaky, man.